I'm gonna start this video. Good morning from the Adirondack Mountains. It is almost 4 a.m. We're on the trail here, you can see them, to Hurricane Mountain, the East Trail to be exact. These are the Canadians, Chris and his wife, Nicole. They're joining me tonight. This is Nicole's first ever night hike. All right, we've made it to the bridge. This little bridge right here is like the marker for when we start going uphill. The last like 1.1 miles of this hike is, you know, 1,000 feet plus elevation gain. Woo! And the temperature is like in the 50s, so it's pretty comfortable out here. No complaints from me. And most importantly, there's no clouds. So it's not gonna be all for naught. We are making good time here. As you can see on the map, we have gone about 1.8, 1.9 miles, and we've got till 2.3, 2.4 to go, and about 500 feet elevation, 450 maybe. We've only been hiking for an hour 20, so we'll probably be up there about the 2-hour mark, and then we'll have some time before sunrise to like enjoy the colors that come just before sunrise. You can see some of the red and orange out there. It's gonna be a beautiful sunrise. So the summit's actually just right there. There's a fire tower there, but you can't really see it. But we are extremely close. It took about an hour 40, so pretty fast. And we have a lot of time before sunrise, so. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Hey buddy, good morning, how are you? All right, I'll go up the fire tower. You can't see it, but there's a great 360 view here on the fire tower of Hurricane. You can see Vermont, you can see the Adirondacks, expansive views, that's for sure. There's Whiteface over there. What do you think, Chris? How is it?
Absolutely stunning. Did balanced rocks, did Cascade and Porter, but for me this has topped it off.
This is Chris's first fire tower. This is a restored fire tower here on Hurricane Mountain. You can see good height to it, probably 50 feet tall maybe. And the view is truly better, as you might expect, than the just standing on the rock down there. But wow, look at that. What do you think of the view? Your first sunrise hike?
Sunrise worth it. 2:45 a.m.
That's gonna wrap it up for me here on Hurricane Mountain. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like. If you're new here, consider subscribing. All right, that's it.